shop at downtown. So here we go. Al Thomas here. Thank you. I'm so excited. My new book just got released on Amazon called The Entrepreneurial Mindset to Wealth. It's going to help you understand how to make the gap from here to where you want to go in 2026 and beyond. You're going to see some of the things that I did to learn from my billionaire mentors that have helped me become who I am today. And I'm going to talk about real estate in there when I bought my first property. I'm going to talk about my mentors in there. It is so jam-packed with information you're going to learn from, and it's going to help you become better and stronger. The benefits are you don't have to do things I had to go through to get where you want to go. Think about it. For a book like this, you're going to get so blessed with so much information. I would buy 3 or 4 if I were you and give your 2 best friends. It's going to be a great thing that you can talk about and converse with between you. Hey, listen, also leave a book review. I love to get a book review. Make it good. As well as if you send me a picture of you holding the book, I want to get that out there so people can see how you're enjoying the book as well. Let's bless others. Pay it forward. Take care. And God bless. Remember, with a closed fist, you can't give nor receive. Let's give it to the world. Take care. God bless.